Hey guys, it's me again, Aila, back at it again with another video. So for today's video, I will be doing an updated school makeup routine. Okay, before I put makeup, naglalagay muna ako ng sunscreen. And yung sunscreen na nilagay ko kanina pa is this Aloe Soothing Sun Cream from Cosrx. It has SPF 50+, PA+++. So, yun. Nalagay ko na siya kanina pa pagkatapos kong maligo. And now, I will proceed to my makeup. So, ang una kong ginagamit is concealer. Para matakpan lahat ng dapat takpan. Eye bags, dark spots, and pimple marks. So, ito yung ginagamit ko, yung Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium Moyen. So, ilalagay ko lang siya sa mga areas na kailangan. Fingers lang yung ginagamit kong pang-blend since yun yung mas madali. And para mas natural looking siyang tignan. Okay, now that the base is done, I will now proceed to the next step, which is the blush. And I use a cream blush from Maybelline as well. This is their Master? This is their Master Flush Stick in the shade Peach Babe. Yan. Meron na rin siyang kasama applicator na sponge, which I never use. Kasi, fingers lang talaga ginagamit ko pag-apply ng mga cream products sa face ko. But, I make sure na clean yung hands ko. So, yan yung blush. And then, kukuha lang ako ng tamang amount. Tsaka ko siya i-apply sa cheeks ko. By the way, guys, I'm on my org shirt. Kaya hindi ako naka-uniform ngayon. Because it's Friday. And kapag Friday, org shirt kami. So, yeah. Ayan, i-apply ko na siya sa cheeks ko. Nang nakasmile. Para I also put some on my nose para mas natural looking siya. Drunk blush look siya. Dapat siguro ilipat ko kayo dito. Wait lang. Ayan, much better. So, I'll just continue applying my blush. Papantayin ko lang siya. Next is powder. And ang powder na ginagamit ko is, again, from Maybelline. It's not, ewan ko ba, lagi na lang Maybelline yung ginagamit. Lagi ako sa Maybelline bumibili ng makeup. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Siguro nasanay lang talaga ako na puro Maybelline products na yung ginagamit ko, kaya ganun. And yung Maybelline powder na ginagamit ko is this one, Clear Smooth All-in-One 2-Way Cake, and it also has SPF 32 PA+++. So, yan. Meron na rin siyang mirror, ayan yung powder, and meron na rin siyang kasamang sponge. But, gagamit ako ng powder brush. Just swirl it and dab. Dinadab-dab ko lang siya, hindi ko siya ginagano sa face ko. Kasi ang tendency, pag ginanon mo siya sa face mo, baka mag-crease yung cream products na nilagay mo. So, dab-dab lang. Para hindi sila gumalaw. That's it. And also sa neck na rin pala. Para walang lines. Para well blended talaga siya. Yan. Done with the powder, and now I will proceed to my lashes. First, I will curl it with a curl lash. Ito pa yung curl lash na ginamit ko last school makeup routine ko. This is from Nichido. Pinalitan ko lang siya ng rubber. And now, I will apply mascara. And yung mascara na ginagamit ko is also from Maybelline. This is their Hyper Curl Mascara. Ito, super mura niya. Nabili ko lang to ng 149 pesos. And talagang naglalast siya all day. Like, it's super waterproof, pero hindi siya mahirap tanggalin.
Super laki na nagagawa ng mascara sa face ko kasi nabubuhay niya yung buong mukha ko pag nakaangat yung lashes ko. So, I always put mascara on whenever I do my makeup. Hindi talaga siya mawawala. And then, after I apply mascara, I will curl it again para mas matayo siya. Like, and kapag nagka-curl ako ng lashes, I make sure na patagilid ko siya, tinatanggal. Like, pag ganyan. Para yung curl ng lashes mo is patagilid din. Like that. And then, on the other side. Oh, diba?
And then, after put mascara, maglalagay naman ako ng lipstick or lip tint. But right now, I will just use lip tint. And ito yung ginagamit ko, yung KJM, na super duper tagal na sa akin dito, guys. As in, magto 2 years na yata sa akin to. And ito pa yung old packaging nila. And tingnan nyo naman, hindi nyo na siya. Tingnan naman yung packaging niya, naluma na't lahat. And ayan yung shade niya, makikita niya. Bittersweet magenta. And kung hindi naman ako nag-lip tint, mag-lipstick ako. And yung gamit ko kapag pupunta ng school is this Maybelline again. Oh my gosh. Maybelline, baka naman. So, ito yung toasted brown nila under powder mattes. Ayan siya. And ito yung color niya. Ayan. Perfect for everyday talaga siya. Kaya, ito yung ginagamit ko whenever I use lipstick. But now, I don't feel like using it. So, lip tint muna tayo. Ayan. Super tagal na talaga nito sa akin. Pero mauubos na siya. So, makakabili na ako ng bago. Ewan ko ba sa sarili ko. Though, bumibili naman ako ng ibang lip tint. Like, yung Tony Moly ko na, ano yun? Tony Tint Delight. Basta yun, yung may delight. Yun, binili ko yun, and naubos ko na siya. Agad. Pero ito, hindi pa rin siya ubos. So, bumalik ako sa kanya, and, yun na. So, yeah, that's it. Ito na yung finished look, guys. And by the way, I don't do my brows on a daily basis. Dati, oo. Pero, ewan ko, tinamad na ako. And, since full naman na yung brows ko, hindi ko na siya kailangan lagyan pa ng product. Pero, minsan kapag, alam mo yun, full face makeup talaga, naglalagay ako ng pangkilay. Pero, for everyday, like, school makeup routine, hindi na. Since makapal na naman talaga yung kilay ko, and yun, that's it. That's the finished look, guys. And I hope you guys enjoy. And please give this video a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!